Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 opened broadly unchanged at 10,854.57. Across Europe, the Euronext 100 gained 0.03%, while Germany's DAX rose 0.23% as concerns eased over the immediate impact of expanded US sanctions against Iran. In the US, the Nasdaq closed lower at 25,980.19, while the S&P 500 fell to 7652.86. In company news, Kurdistan-focused oil producer Gulf Keystone maintained financial resilience despite disruption to production at its Shaikan Field and declared a further interim dividend. Power and data transmission manufacturer Volex raised its FY27 profit outlook following strong trading and improved operating leverage. Against sterling, the US dollar was unchanged, while the Swiss franc, euro and Japanese yen weakened marginally. The Australian dollar strengthened slightly and Bitcoin rose. In commodities, copper moved lower, while gold, Brent crude and natural gas edged higher. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great Tuesday.